everyone, welcome back to ZANDI NHLAPO channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. The former SABC1 presenter ZANDI NHLAPO is making her television comeback after years off screen. NHLAPO has joined the local telenovela Imbewu. She will portray the character of Nompi Kenyeza, who is Fikile's mother on a TV show. Nompi guys comes when Fikile and Nkule were planning to take their relationship to the next level. Guys, Fikile has been acting very strange and she suspects ukuthi ukhulelwe. Nompi's character is described to have a stylish dress code, is set to bring chaos on the show, like ending Fikile and Nkulego's relationship. According to the character description, Nompi's complicated relationship with her daughter will see tension rise, and she will drop a few bombshells about her daughter. Speaking to Sowetan newspaper, she said, "I'm looking forward to getting deeper into Nompi. I must say the emotional scenes were hard and emotionally taxing for me, but I'm appreciative that playing the character makes me revisit how I am parenting my girls every day." NHLAPO guys was last seen on screen as a host of Cooking Gospel in 2013. She's been focusing on her businesses. That is all I have for today. I must say guys, I can't wait for Fikile and her mother's drama. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.